a quick weekend trip from Kolkata. This time we went to Sonar Bangla at Kolaghat. It takes usually 2 hours from my house to Kolaghat, and Saurav and I we shared our journey of driving to this place, and the roads were decent. I would say it was a long due holiday with parents, and we just decided to go to Shoramangla Kolaghat. I'll share my experience of how it was, what did we do in Shonarmangla Kolaghat. Wanted to share that Shonarmangla Kolaghat is a pet friendly hotel. So if you want to take your pets, you are welcomed, and there is enough place for kids to have a good time. After reaching, we started taking a number of selfies for memories, and we started exploring the place. It's a beautifully maintained property, and you get picture perfect pictures at different corners of this resort. This is how the room looks like. We took the topmost floor to get the beautiful view of the river, and this see what amazing view it's from the room. It was just giving Goa vibes. Trust me on this. When I say this, you might be thinking Kolagad and Goa vibes, but it was. The view was so wonderful from the room. And my recommendation would be please go and take the top floor to get the best views. And you can see how well I'm enjoying myself. And the weather added its more mystery. We got a very nice windy weather. We were really hungry, and I forgot taking the pictures of the lovely food that we had. So I only had time to take the picture of the dessert. It was a caramel custard. So this hotel is divided into three parts broadly. One where you can see the rooms are. Second, there's an infinity pool area. And third, there is a bar area which they've wonderfully set up. You can order your own cocktails. There are live kebabs, and you can. There are couches where you can sit with your friends and your family and enjoy your time. The second day, we started with an elaborate breakfast and exploring more of the properties. And when you're with your parents, especially my mother, she loves clicking pictures, and pictures always reminds us of the great memories. After breakfast, I did head for a lovely spa, and then I dipped my feet in this wonderful swimming pool and enjoyed the wonderful evening. The spa facility is there, and it is decent, I would say, but you have to give your specifications to the person who's taking care of your spa. This is how beautiful the resort was looking from our terrace, and finally ended the day with some soup. There were other things we ordered. I just took pictures of the favorite things which I love. The next day it was time to leave, and I really didn't want to leave. I really wanted to spend one more day and relax and have a nice time at the pool and at the spa. But you have to get back to work. And how is the trip possible without red lips, pout lips, I would say? Returning with a lot of memories, a lot of selfies. It is a lovely place to be, good food, a place where you can take your parents, be with your friends, and until we meet next time and create good memories.